Welcome to lessons 23 of our Google Sheet course. In these lessons, we'll explore how to create charts, graphs, and pivot tables. So these tools help you transform raw data into meaningful visual insights. And we'll work with our sales datasets and work step by steps through creating like bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, and pivot tables that summarize information clearly. So by the end of these lessons, you will be able to visualize data trends and create reports with confidence. Okay, so let's begin. We start up with the Google's or Google Sheets. So and let's start by creating our simple data sets. And I have like imaging, we are managing sales data for a small online stores. So here's the data sets we'll use for that one. And like these data sets tracks sales across like the different product and also like the regions and also the date. Okay, so now let's turn this into visuals to understand the data better. So the next section is let's creating charts. Like charts allows us to quickly spot trends. So like here, select the data range and for example, the column for the product and also column for the sales and hold the shift key or control key, then go to the menu and click on the inserts and click on the charts. Okay, so Google or Google Sheets automatically suggests chart types, and for our product sales sheets might create a like the, or you can find this one with the column chart showing like the laptop phones and tablets sales. So like here and their sheets over there. And also these charts makes it clear that laptops are the top sellings or like the top sellings product. Okay, so and if you suggested charts doesn't look right, click on the chart editors and also and panels and choose from options like the column and also something the by pie or bar charts and also kind of the line charts. Okay, so and that's it. So this flexibility helps you decide the best way to present your data. So now using different graphs types with this or like with these data sets, so let's or make it the little bit smaller. And now let's try different graphs to tell different stories. So first one is the line graphs. So for that, date and sales we can select it. For now let's go to and select with the control, hold the control key and use these two one, then go to the again the inserts and this times let's choose the like the line charts. So if I'm gonna go to and select the line charts. Okay, so and that's it also, and this is our the lines graphs. Now you can see sales trends over time like the day by or like here, like you can find the day one was higher and day two dropped slightly like this way and align, and day three went up again. Okay, so and that's it with our examples. Okay, or before that, so let's select it again, or if I'm gonna delete it for now. So now let's go to all and let's select over here. This is go to the inserts, select the or now go to the chart and now select the like the chart types with the line charts in like the this one, or we're gonna use these line charts in there. Okay, so and their sits over there. And now for the pie charts we can do. So select the product and also the sales. So if I gonna select both like the product and sales, now go to again and like into the charts or into the inserts and go to the charts, and let's say select now this times into, or let's go to, or we want to use now the pie charts. Okay, so and here the chart types of the pie charts. Now you see the percentage contributions of the each project over here. So like the phone, tablets, or also the laptops in there, like and like this way. Or we can do, so let's go to, and we can also you can see the customizations, or you can go to the customizations to show subs, like what do you want to show subs in there. Okay, so pie slice, if you're gonna want to use a chart styles, you can change from there. Okay, so that's it for now. And the another thing is, let's resize it over here, and you can also use the bar charts. So same way we can do like the regions. Let's say if I'm gonna go to the regions and we want to use like go to the, or let's go with the inserts, and now let's go to the again the or bar charts for now. So let's go to, and we have these bar charts over there. Okay, so and there sits with these styles in there, or we can use the aggregates for here, and there sits in now. Okay, and also we can do for like that this one, or if I'm gonna go to or click or select it like the there's one, and here we have like the this one, and now when I click over, you can now see the specifics like the there's one, or I'm gonna do, so let's select it again, or what can I do, so let's go to and use the aggregates with the this one like specifics, or specifics, or this is like the tablets and laptops, and also the phone for the different provisions in there, like laptop has 44 and phone is 34 and tablets is the 22%. Okay, so the key is choose the charts that tells the story of your data most effectively. Here let's go to click over again there. We have like the this one, so is to like with the difference one, or let's say use the one headers, or like the there's one, and that's it with the simple examples in there. Okay, so and here, and now let's go to and create the pivot charts. So charts are great for visualizations, but like what if you want to summarize large data sets? So that's where the pivot tables comes in. So let's create a pivot tables with our same data sets, and we can now for now let's move into the there for now, and I'm gonna want to use like the or like these data sets for the creating the pivot tables. So select the data and now go to the inserts and click on the pivot tables. Okay, so now click on the pivot tables, and also you can place it in a new sheet or existing one. So let's go to the new sheet and just create it. Okay, so and that's it. So now in the pivot tables editor, add the regions to the rows areas and over here, and add the sales value into the, or we can use into like this one into the values area. So sales into the values area. So now we get the clear summary for the regions, like this is some of the cells like east, north, or east, north, south, or west for the different cells in there. So this shows us that north region has the highest cells. Okay, and also the another example, you can add the like if I gonna now add the or the product into the rows or over here into the rows, and their seats over here, and the quantity to the values area. Okay, so and their seats. Now you see how many units were sold per product. Okay, so and their seats. So pivot tables are powerful because they let you rearrange and summarize data without writing formulas. Okay, so and here, and also, so and that's it for now. Or you can combine pivot tables and also the charts, and you can also create the pivot or charts with over here by using like this one. Okay, so and that's it over there. And so today we have learned how to insert and customize charts in Google Sheets, and also like you experiment with different charts types like column and also the bar charts, line and also the pie charts, and you discover how to build the pivot tables and also to summarize data quickly in our here. Okay, so in the next lessons we'll explore like the or how to use functions with data validation or visualizations to create automated dashboards. So congratulations, you have just added an essential skills for data analysis and reporting in Google Sheets.